Today, we're delving into the subtle signs that someone is incredibly wealthy. Forget about the flashy displays of opulence. True wealth often hides in plain sight. So, let's uncover the 15 non-obvious signs that indicate someone is super rich. Number 1. Presentation. The way wealthy individuals present themselves goes beyond just their physical appearance. It's a reflection of their attention to detail and the importance they place on making a positive impression. They understand that their appearance can have a significant impact on how they are perceived in social and professional settings. By prioritizing dental hygiene and maintaining clean, white teeth, they ensure that their smile is welcoming and doesn't distract from meaningful conversations. Their well-styled and professionally colored hair adds an air of sophistication and confidence. Furthermore, their natural-looking groomed eyebrows and radiant skin demonstrate their commitment to maintaining a healthy and polished appearance. These subtle signs of personal care and grooming reveal a deeper understanding of the power of presentation and the influence it can have on their overall success. Number 2. Spending. When it comes to spending money, wealthy individuals have a unique perspective. They recognize that time is their most valuable asset and are willing to invest in saving it. While others may go out of their way to save a few dollars on gas or groceries by driving long distances, the wealthy prioritize convenience. They understand that time spent on mundane tasks is time that could be better utilized elsewhere. This mindset permeates their everyday actions, from hiring personal assistants to outsourcing household chores. They may opt for a helicopter or private jet to bypass traffic and reduce travel time. By valuing their time and making strategic choices, the wealthy demonstrate their understanding of the importance of efficient time management, a key aspect of their success. Number 3. Brand names. It's a common misconception that the wealthy are always adorned in brand names and logos. In reality, true wealth is often reflected in the choices they make regarding their clothing and accessories. Rather than chasing after the latest trends or flashy logos, they prioritize quality and timeless designs. Many wealthy individuals opt for bespoke clothing and shoes, crafted to their exact specifications by personal tailors. These custom-made pieces not only fit them perfectly but also exude an air of exclusivity and attention to detail. Moreover, the quality of their shoes is another subtle indicator of their wealth. Fine craftsmanship, premium materials, and impeccable style are often the hallmarks of their footwear. Next time you assess someone's wealth, look beyond brand names and focus on these understated yet significant hints of true affluence. Number 4. Price tags. The wealthy possess a unique mindset when it comes to money, and one notable sign of their affluence is their indifference towards price tags. Unlike others who meticulously scrutinize prices, the rich have a different perspective on spending. When dining out, for instance, they don't fixate on the menu's prices. Instead, they rely on the expertise of the waiter, seeking recommendations or opting for the daily specials. They operate under a simple rule: if you have to contemplate whether you can afford something, it's likely beyond your means. This mindset showcases their financial comfort and confidence. They have reached a level of wealth where they can make purchasing decisions based on desire and quality rather than monetary constraints. So, when you observe someone effortlessly making choices without glancing at price tags, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth and financial security. Number 5. Privacy. In a world where fame is often equated with wealth, it may surprise you to learn that the majority of wealthy individuals actually prioritize privacy over public attention. They understand the downsides that accompany fame, such as intrusion into their personal lives, heightened security risks, and the constant pressure of public scrutiny. As a result, they strive to maintain a low profile, valuing their privacy as a coveted luxury. Wealthy individuals invest in various measures to safeguard their personal information and maintain a sense of privacy. From using secure travel arrangements, such as private jets or secluded accommodations, to employing advanced security systems in their homes, they take significant steps to protect their privacy. Moreover, They are cautious about their online presence, employing strategies like using VPNs, virtual credit cards, and limiting their social media activity. For the wealthy, privacy is not just a preference. It's a way to safeguard their personal well-being, shield their families from unnecessary attention, and enjoy a sense of freedom that comes with being able to move through the world with less scrutiny. So, when next you encounter someone who values their privacy, consider it as a subtle sign that they may belong to the ranks of the wealthy. Number 6. Finances. Discretion is a common trait among wealthy individuals when it comes to their finances. Unlike those who feel the need to boast about their wealth or flaunt their financial status, the truly wealthy remain discreet. They understand that true financial security doesn't need validation through ostentatious displays of wealth. Wealthy individuals prioritize the management of their finances and often enlist the expertise of financial advisors or family lawyers to handle their monetary affairs. These professionals help them navigate complex financial matters and ensure the long-term stability of their wealth. By entrusting their finances to capable hands, the wealthy demonstrate a level of confidence and understanding that goes beyond simply accumulating money. Their reserved attitude towards money is a reflection of their mindset. Financial stability is not something they need to showcase or prove to others. It is a fundamental aspect of their lives, allowing them to focus on other pursuits and enjoy the benefits that wealth brings, without the need for external validation. Next time you encounter someone who is discreet about their finances, consider it as a subtle sign that they may belong to the ranks of the truly wealthy. Number 7. Color and weight of their credit cards. Here's an interesting detail to keep an eye on when assessing someone's wealth: the color and weight of their credit cards. While it may appear inconsequential, high-end service establishments pay close attention to these subtle indicators. Wealthy individuals often possess credit cards made of metal, exuding an air of exclusivity and sophistication. These cards come in sleek black, elegant gold, or prestigious platinum colors. The weight of the card itself adds to its allure, conveying a sense of importance and high-profile status. It may seem like a small detail, but in the world of the wealthy, every aspect of their presentation matters. The color and weight of their credit cards become a discreet status symbol, silently communicating their financial standing to those in the know. So, when you find yourself in the presence of someone with a metal credit card or a card that exudes luxury, consider it as a subtle hint that they may belong to the realm of the truly affluent. Number 8. Social grace. Social grace is a powerful indicator of wealth that often goes unnoticed. Wealthy individuals possess a remarkable ability to navigate social settings with ease and finesse. They effortlessly engage in conversations, exhibiting genuine interest and making others feel valued. Their impeccable social skills are honed over time and play a vital role in networking and maintaining their esteemed social position. In contrast, lower-income individuals may not prioritize developing such refined social skills. They may not fully grasp the value of networking and fail to recognize the doors it can open. While generic social skills are important for basic interactions, the wealthy understand the deeper significance of building connections. They recognize that their network is their net worth, and as such, they invest time and effort in cultivating meaningful relationships. So, when next you encounter someone who seems to effortlessly fit into any social setting and has an innate ability to engage with others, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth. Their social grace reflects their understanding of the importance of networking and its role in their continued success. Sign number 9. Complain about money in public. It's an interesting observation that wealthy individuals rarely complain about money in public. This behavior reflects their financial stability and maturity. Complaining about money is often associated with poor financial management and a lack of control over one's finances. The wealthy possess a different mindset. They understand that complaining doesn't solve problems. Taking action does. Rather than dwelling on financial difficulties, they channel their energy into finding solutions. They approach financial challenges with a proactive attitude, seeking opportunities and strategies to overcome obstacles. This mindset shift is a key factor in their success. It allows them to focus on long-term financial goals and maintain a positive outlook. By refraining from public complaints about money, they convey an air of confidence and self-assurance. So, the next time you encounter someone who rarely complains about money, consider it as a subtle sign of their financial stability and their ability to navigate challenges with grace and determination. Sign number 10. Valuing experiences over material possessions. Valuing experiences over material possessions is a defining trait of the wealthy. They recognize that while material things can be acquired and replaced, experiences hold a unique and irreplaceable value. Wealthy individuals have the means to indulge in new adventures, explore new destinations, and seek out novel experiences that enrich their lives. Their willingness to invest in experiences is a reflection of their wealth and freedom. They understand that life is not solely about accumulating possessions, but about creating lasting memories and meaningful moments. Instead of chasing after the latest gadgets or designer labels, they prioritize creating unforgettable experiences that can be cherished for a lifetime. This mindset sets them apart from those who equate wealth solely with material possessions. It showcases their ability to appreciate the intangible aspects of life and derive joy from unique encounters and cultural exploration. So, when you encounter someone who prioritizes experiences over material possessions, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth and their understanding of the true value of a life well lived. Number 11. Attention to detail. Attention to detail is a characteristic shared among the wealthy, and this extends to their choice of accessories for different occasions. They understand the significance of dressing appropriately for various settings, demonstrating a keen sense of style and social awareness. Whether it's engaging in sporting activities, enjoying a day at the beach, or attending a formal event, they have the right attire and accessories to match the situation perfectly. From the proper attire for a tennis match to the right towel, bag, and loafers for a beach outing, the wealthy pay meticulous attention to every aspect of their ensemble. Their accessories serve as the finishing touches that complete their overall presentation, showcasing their refined taste and understanding of the appropriate attire for each occasion. By consistently dressing in line with the event or activity, the wealthy effortlessly blend into their surroundings, further solidifying their status and reputation. So, the next time you notice someone who consistently has the perfect accessories for any given occasion, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth and their impeccable attention to detail. Number 12. Financial and legal fluency. Fluency in financial and legal matters is a common trait among the wealthy. They have acquired a deep understanding of financial and legal terminology, honed through personal experiences and a commitment to education. This fluency allows them to navigate complex financial landscapes and make informed decisions that contribute to their wealth. From comprehending the intricacies of trusts and estate planning to understanding the inner workings of family businesses and investment strategies, the wealthy speak the language of money. They are familiar with concepts such as profit and loss statements, operating cash flow, current and non-current liabilities, bonds, stocks, and more. This level of understanding enables them to effectively manage their assets, diversify their portfolios, and maximize their financial opportunities. Their financial and legal fluency is not only a sign of their wealth but also a reflection of their dedication to personal growth and self-empowerment. By continuously expanding their knowledge in these areas, they are better equipped to protect and grow their wealth over time. So, the next time you encounter someone who effortlessly navigates financial and legal discussions, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth and their commitment to understanding the intricate workings of the financial world. Number 13. Displaying a family crest. Paying attention to the presence of a family crest or monogram on personal items can provide a glimpse into someone's wealth and social standing. Among individuals from old money or royal families, displaying a family crest on garments, accessories, and even household items is a subtle yet significant sign of their heritage and status. These personalized emblems, whether embossed or embroidered, serve as a connection to their family's history and traditions. They are a reminder of the expected behavior, values, and responsibilities that come with their esteemed lineage. By incorporating these symbols into their personal belongings, wealthy individuals not only showcase their familial pride but also subtly communicate their social position to those who are aware of such details. The presence of a family crest on personal items is a way for the wealthy to preserve their family legacy and honor their ancestral ties. It represents a sense of continuity and tradition that spans generations, distinguishing them within their social circles. So, when you come across someone who proudly displays a family crest or monogram on their belongings, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth, heritage, and the responsibility they carry as a representative of their distinguished lineage. Number 14. Languages. Speaking multiple languages beyond their family background is a key characteristic shared by many wealthy individuals. They recognize the immense value of language proficiency as a tool for effective communication and negotiation in the global market. While bilingualism is often considered a basic requirement, the wealthy take it a step further by investing time and effort to learn languages such as Chinese, Arabic, or Spanish. By expanding their linguistic skills, they position themselves to seize new business opportunities and forge meaningful connections with individuals from different cultures and backgrounds. They understand that language fluency goes beyond mere communication. It fosters trust, understanding, and the ability to navigate diverse markets. Fluency in additional languages provides a competitive edge, allowing the wealthy to engage in international trade, establish partnerships, and expand their business ventures on a global scale. It demonstrates their adaptability, open-mindedness, and commitment to personal growth. So, the next time you come across someone who speaks multiple languages beyond their family background, consider it as a subtle sign of their wealth and their strategic approach to seizing opportunities in the ever-expanding global marketplace. Number 15. Working out on experience and personal fulfillment. A notable characteristic of wealthy individuals is that they often work not out of necessity but for the experience and personal fulfillment it brings. Unlike those driven solely by financial gain, the wealthy pursue interests and careers that align with their passions and personal aspirations. They seek out internships, engage in extensive networking, and often follow in the footsteps of their parents, aiming to gain valuable experience and eventually take over family businesses. However, due to their privileged upbringing and focus on specialized pursuits, wealthy individuals may lack generic skills that are typically developed through necessity. They may have never had to deal with common tasks such as filling out application forms, fixing household items, or performing everyday chores. Their wealth and access to resources have shielded them from these experiences, resulting in a level of detachment from certain practical skills. While this lack of generic skills may be seen as a disadvantage, it is important to note that their upbringing and focus on specialized pursuits have cultivated their expertise in other areas. Their immersion in specific fields and industries has honed their talents and allowed them to develop exceptional skills in their chosen domain. So, when encountering wealthy individuals who exhibit a lack of generic skills, it is important to recognize that their wealth has afforded them opportunities to excel in specialized areas. Their focus on experience and personal fulfillment drives them to pursue careers and interests that align with their passions, contributing to their overall success and fulfillment. And there you have it. The 15 non-obvious signs that someone is super rich. Keep your eyes open for these subtle hints of wealth in your interactions. If you have any stories or encounters with wealthy individuals that surprised you, share them in the comments below. Remember, wealth can manifest itself in unexpected ways. Stay tuned for more inspiring content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.